Pacific Ocean is vast and powerful, yet much of it remains to be understood. With the new version of the Pacific Ocean portal, exploring and knowing our ocean has just become easier. This dynamic platform brings vital data and insights to support communities, industries, and sectors across our blue Pacific. Whether you're a student, a fisher, or an industry professional, the Pacific Ocean Portal is your one-stop free online tool to explore historical, near real-time, and future Pacific Ocean data. To navigate, simply type oceanportal.spc.int into your search bar and press Enter to open the homepage. Now select Country, then Explore Data. Browse the list of sectors and corresponding ocean data. Then select Add to Map, next click Plotter, and then Download. Voila! The same is applicable for other sources of data available on the portal. The portal is designed for everyone. Students and researchers can produce and include maps and graphs in their presentations and papers, download data for custom analyses, and use metadata for easier understanding. Fishers can locate potential hotspots using chlorophyll and phytoplankton levels, and plan trips using tide and wave forecasts. Tourism operators can monitor real-time conditions to plan safe tours and share professional maps and graphs with their clients and teams. Maritime authorities and shipping companies can plan safe and efficient routes using tide, wave, and wind forecasts, assess risks, and enhance port operation with real-time ocean information. Explore our blue Pacific Ocean and make informed decisions like never before. Visit oceanportal.spc.int today.